Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. In this video, we'll show you how to track events and create conversion goals in Usermaven. We'll go step by step. First, we'll look at auto-captured events. Then we'll create a pinned event. Then we'll look at custom events. And finally, we'll create conversion goals. Let's start with auto-captured events. Usermaven automatically tracks user actions on your website. For example, page visits, button clicks, form submissions. You don't need to set anything up for these. Now, imagine you want to track a Book a Demo button. Now, in the search bar, type Book a Demo or enter the page URL where the button exists. Find the event that matches your button. Once you find it, click Pin on the right side. Now we'll turn this into a pinned event. After clicking Pin, a pop-up will open. Give your event a name. For example, Book a Demo clicked. Check the conditions if needed, then click Create. Now, once the pinned event has been created, you can see it inside the pinned event section. You can also create a pinned event manually. Click Create Pinned Event. This is useful if the same button appears on multiple pages. Give it a name. While creating it, you can use any of these options. Then click Create. Now, all similar clicks are grouped into one event. Let's look at custom events. Auto-captured events are great, but sometimes you need more control. For example, when a user signs up, when a plan is upgraded, when a purchase is completed, you can send events like signed up, plan upgraded. These events are sent using code. Example, Usermaven, track, signed up. You can also send extra data. Usermaven, track, plan upgraded. Amount, 99. Now let's create a conversion goal. Go to Conversion Goals. Click New Goal. Name it. Plan upgraded, choose Custom Event. Select Plan upgraded. If you are using a custom event, you can choose static value or dynamic value. If every conversion has the same value, then use static. If the value changes, then use dynamic. Then click Create, and that's it. Now you know how to. Find and use auto-captured events, turn important actions into pinned events. Create your own custom events and use all of these to create conversion goals. With this setup, you can clearly track what your users are doing and measure the actions that matter most to your business. Start with simple things like button clicks, then move to more advanced tracking as you grow. Thanks for watching.